The Oak Ridges Moraine runs right through King Township and is a beautiful place for hiking, birdwatching, and enjoying nature. Look for the trail's signature markers like this one on Dufferin Street north of King Road. Park your car and hike for 4 gentle kilometers through forests and fields and past Lake Seneca. Cross over Keel Street and you will hike past beautiful Mary Lake, also home to the Mary Lake Shrine. Carry on another 1.2 kilometers where a side trail will take you to Pine Farms Orchard. There you can enjoy shopping, lunch, or a light snack in their country cafe before retracing your steps back to your car. Make it a weekend with dinner at Paper Crane Sushi in King City and spend the night at the beautiful Kingbridge Center. Enjoy their indoor and outdoor pools, basketball, and over 5 kilometers of nature trails. Refresh, recharge, revitalize. Learn more at experienceking.ca.